going to be a video on, it's going to pretty much be an unboxing, but I think I've done it already for this remote. The remote works great. This is actually a replacement for one I've been using for a number of years that the battery started swelling up. I have no idea why. It's just broken. I actually did another video on that, a teardown video of that, opening it up, which I suggest you not do. So I had to purchase another one. This is the best. I use my GoPro from a lot of my videos, and this remote works so well. It's just flawless. Works really, really well. I don't want to use anything else. I don't like to use my phone because I use my phone for other things. And if I'm running the app to record and not record, and I'll switch to another one, if I forget, you know, it's just, I'd rather have a remote, click on it, and click it on and click it off, and that's it. Separate from my phone. So I had to get another one. So there's going to be an unboxing and an open box, as you can see right there. And I want to see the condition. It cost me about $50. The remote usually goes for about, I think the average is between $70 and $80. $79.99. And this is supposed to be just an open box. So the box is a little bit beat up, but the overall condition seems fine. So let's open it to see the condition of an open box. One of many open box items that I purchased from Best Buy. I always look at the open boxes. And of course all this. And the remote, I just can't say enough. You have a GoPro, you should have a remote. I think it's the best. That's just me. I think you can talk to the camera and all that, but I'm not into that. I'll just use the remote. So it seems okay. Doesn't seem in bad condition. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad. This is an open box again. And the screen's right there. Got the little cover. I'll leave the cover until it wears out. Okay. And so it looks in pretty good condition. So the look at it looks pretty good. And it should come with a charger and a strap. The strap I don't use. I put this to the side. I never use it. I actually use a what do you call them? Lanyard. So this is the one I use. I keep this connected to it because sometimes I need this tool to loosen up the GoPro mounting, and I just stick this through here, so you can see. Pretty easy to do. Bring it out here, and then I run everything through it. That's it. So usually I'm holding it like this. That way it doesn't fall from, it's not too far from me. I usually hold it like that, press the button, on and off, on and off. That's it. Now, just to charge it up, make sure it works, and that's it. And I will be done. The actual cable itself, let me, I don't know, a foot and a half maybe 3 feet, I'm not sure. USB-A to USB-C. USB-A is this, USB-C is this, and Yeah, 1.5 feet, almost. I mean, I'm sorry, it is 1.5 feet, sorry. Cool, all right, so let me charge it up, make sure it works, and connect it to my GoPro and make sure communication's working and that I'm connecting and that this actual item is working. All right, I got my camera, the remote control is fully charged, so I'm gonna turn it on. Power button's on top. Pair new, click on that. Put the camera in pairing mode. Okay, camera is on. I'm gonna swipe down, scroll over, preferences, wireless connections, and then connected device. I don't think there's anything else, right? Yep. Connected devices, the remote. So I'm choosing the remote. Okay, there it is, connected. Perfect. So now you'll see when I press the button here, updating remote. Connection is done. So now just to test it to make sure it's working, I press and it starts recording. Of course it's recording just nothing because of the cover, but I know it's working. Okay, it's working, seems fine. There are no issues. I'm not gonna even go further in regards to this video. This remote, it's just an awesome remote. I mean, I used to have it for the GoPro 6, I believe. I still have it, GoPro 6. The remote that came for that. And that one was iffy. So I'd say it worked about 90% of the time. This works all the time. The only time it stops working is when the camera's battery stops working, where the battery is depleted in the camera. I'll get a spinning circle trying to connect and I'll know, oh, I didn't pay attention and the camera's battery died. Besides that, this just never gives me any issues except for the last one, which again, that remote was over 3 years old, almost 3 years old. The swelling of the battery, that was odd. I never saw that, but that's what happened with that remote. This remote they just work. They work very, very, very well. But the remote just really works very, very well. This is an open box. One of the great things about using Best Buy is that their return policy is pretty good as long as you return within 14 days. I joined their, I don't know what it's called, it costs $200 a year and you get 60-day returns. I purchased that because of a laptop I purchased for them. It was part of the warranty. I want to make sure I bought a warranty for that laptop, an extended warranty. So I got an extra 2 years by buying that subscription, Geek Squad subscription. I Total Care Tech subscription. I forget the exact name. But anything I purchased from Best Buy comes with a 60-day return. I also get, I believe, an additional year. It depends on the product, so you got to look it up. And it gives you additional coverage. I think it's worth it since I do buy from Best Buy a lot. So if anything happens with this thing, I could actually return it. So I have no complaints at all. So this is the end of my video. I hope you liked it. I hope it helps. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. And if I haven't said it enough, a must-have if you have the GoPro. Bye now.